Looks like the truck is done. Excuse me, coming through. And wide open throttle. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I got my bags all packed. Look at this. Let's go ahead and do quick updates. So this truck is finally finished. Supercharger is installed. The camper's back on. It's ready to be delivered to Michigan to its owner. Bam. And today I'm actually leaving to Michigan, so we'll be driving that truck behind me, 6.2 2012 and the 2017 for the calibration work. So let's get packed and get on the road. Okay, so this is the other truck that's gonna be going, 2017. And check out the window tint. 20s in the back and 35s in the front. And we're gonna get our calibration work done. Final stage of calibration work on the supercharger. So next time, hopefully when you see this vehicle, it's gonna be burning some matte tires. Boom. Give me that thumbs up for that. Those burnouts. We'll have fun. Okay. Clothes, computer, wiring bag. What else I'll be needing? Oh yeah, I got boots too. To Michigan. What's up, dude? Good morning. Shut them ready to go.
You got this whole bag?
Yeah, got the whole bag. Got new stuff right here. And one more thing I gotta do is follow up with another fitting. Hey, how's the 6.2 drive? How's the 6.2 drive? Nice. All right, we'll do some driving today. Cold start. Oh, I love these. Let's see it. I'm talking about. Hey. It's a beautiful install. So how was the install process? Pretty, did you like it? Yeah?
Loved it.
You loved it? You have, what's the most difficult part of the whole installation?
None of it.
None of it? It's pretty simple, yeah? Even though you had the Raptor manual, but you still managed to install one on the F-250.
Yeah. Hey, did you see how I made the vent functional?
Did you really?
Well, the hood wasn't closing.
Uh-huh.
Because this was in the way. I didn't want to trim this. So this was clogged up. So I opened it, but hopefully it's gonna be okay.
Right there. That's good. That's good thinking, bro. Look at that.
Hopefully water doesn't get it.
All right, well, let's see what it does. So go ahead and close it. Nice. So these vents are fully functional now. So you also installed boost gauge. Nice. How was that installed? Was it pretty easy? What did you tap into?
Just the vacuum line under the hood. And
Awesome.
I got ignition hooked up to it and ground. That was it.
Oh, that's cool. So a fully functional boost gauge. You definitely need to install one on my truck. I absolutely love this feature on a truck. Oh man, I love this step. It's so awesome. Look at this. All hidden. I gotta definitely get one for the truck, the 2017 truck, because it's gonna be high up there and nice and comfortable, very sturdy, and just boom. Another really cool feature. Use the heated seats option. I've never seen this before, but this is cool. Awesome. Another cool feature this truck has one reverse camera, and the second reverse camera. That is awesome. Love the step. Definitely need one on my truck. Just got the windows though. Nice. Not a fishbowl anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and check the tire pressure on this car before we drive it to Detroit. Still need to rhino line the bed, and still need the 6-inch lift kit. Comment below if you guys have any suggestions, recommendations, where to buy the 6-inch or who to buy the 6-inch lift from. Thank you. Okay, so let's load the cars. That bag, this bag, a bunch of these bags. I'm driving the 2012 6.2 liter, and Igor's behind me in the 2017 6.2 liter. Both Whipple charged, but the one behind me, as you guys all know, calibration is not ready for it, so it is in limp mode. It means that it will not cross over parameters where they will endanger the engine. Currently, I believe that's at 385, let's say 400 horsepower, so 60% increase in horsepower. That should be around 600 horsepower right now, I believe, but I can't give you exact numbers to the dyno it, to be honest with you. But let's go. Oh, doing already. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's 60 right there. So yeah, feels great. Right up the throttle. Puts you in the seat. This install that you guys seen was actually installed by MTech Solutions. So thumbs up for MTech Solutions. Great job. AKA Igor and Mike. I'm kidding. Okay, we're gonna do a second takeoff here. But see, the thing is though, it's all wet. It rained. So every time I try to accelerate or take off, it... Here we go. Okay. Excuse me, coming through. And wide open throttle. Oh, it's spinning. Oh, but it goes. Man, that's 70 right there. Let's go down because it's a 45 speed limit. Very nice. Very nice. Feels great. Man, I can't wait to get the 2017 final tuned. Man, this thing is fun. Okay, one more, wide open throttle. 1, 2, check, no cops, go. And I'm gone. At 70 again. And for you guys to all see, here we go again, slowing down, wide open throttle. Damn. I like it a lot. Igor can't keep up behind me because he's in limp mode. Alright guys, let's enjoy this drive. Hello, Pink Palace. Goodbye, everyone.